Assalamu alaikum guys, alhamdulillah. I'm currently here in Indonesia in one of the poverty-stricken areas, and right now we are inaugurating Masjid As-Sakeenah, and subhanallah, just outside the masjid after the inauguration we are handing out hundreds of food packs, and each food pack contains local delicacies such as noodles, rice, etc., eggs, milk. We have oil as well, sugar, salt, etc. Just wanted to say Jazakallah khair to Global Ihsan Relief and to the donors who have made this possible. May Allah bless you, may Allah accept it from you. But please guys, we are helping not only people here in Indonesia but also people in Gaza, Yemen, Syria and all around the world. Continue supporting, continue donating, continue saving lives. Assalamu alaikum.